How to clean an Apple Watch band. Apple Watch bands come in various materials, including leather, wood, silicone, and stainless steel. What you'll need: non-abrasive, lint-free cloth. Step 1. Remove band. To avoid damaging the watch during cleaning, remove the band from your wrist. Step 2. Identify material and clean accordingly. How you clean your Apple Watch band will depend on its material. Leather Apple Watch bands. Wipe the leather band clean with a non-abrasive or lint-free cloth. Silicone Apple Watch bands. Silicone bands can be washed with warm water and liquid soap. Nylon Apple Watch bands. Nylon watch bands can be cleaned with a damp cloth. Stainless steel Apple Watch bands. Apple recommends only using a non-abrasive lint-free cloth to wipe the band. Wood Apple Watch bands. Wooden watch bands should be wiped down with a damp cloth and placed in open air to dry quickly. Braided loop Apple Watch bands. Braided loop texture designs make it easy for dirt to get lodged in the band weaving. Wipe the band clean with a non-abrasive and lint-free cloth.